Hi! In front of me is Realme 10 Pro Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this Realme. Begin by opening Calendar app. Now you need to click on the month above and pick a date that you wish to set up. When you finished, tap over here twice to create your event, or select this plus icon at the bottom right corner and choose event from the list. Then adjust it however you want to. For example, add a title over here. You can also change your email address or tap on one of those sections, like events. Then pick starting hour, save it by choosing OK, and ending one. If you don't want to do that, you can always disable this feature completely by choosing this switcher next to all day. Then choose Does Not Repeat and click on one of those options if you want your event to repeat like every year. You can also choose Custom and adjust it however you want to. Save your changes by clicking on Done. If you change your mind, just click on the same section and tap on Does Not Repeat. Below you can also add people, videos, and even choose location. In this pop-up, click on While using or only this time, then type in an address and tap on the correct result. If you want to change it, click on the same section and tap on New Address. Finally, you can set up notifications minutes, hours, or weeks before your event, or click on Custom as well and manage it. Then change color, add some notes and attachments. Finally, save your event by choosing Save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully created. If you wish to make some changes, just click on it and tap on this pen icon at the top right corner. Now change whatever you wish to. You can discard your changes by clicking on this check mark at the top left corner and tapping on discard, or save them by hitting save. In order to get rid of your event though, click on it again, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner, choose delete from the list and tap on delete in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!